Hey fellow keyboard lovers, today we're taking a look at the fantastic Logitech MK710 keyboard. And let me tell you, this keyboard is an absolute powerhouse. First off, let's talk about the typing experience. The keys on this bad boy are super comfortable and responsive with just the right amount of tactile feedback. And with the included wireless mouse, you've got everything you need for work or play right out of the box. It also comes with the Logitech Bluetooth unifying receiver, which allows you to use your keyboard from a long distance as well. So now let's just turn this keyboard on. And let's have a look at the real star of the show here, which is the LCD dashboard. This amazing feature lets you keep track of your keyboard's battery life, caps lock, scroll lock, and num lock, all without taking your eyes off the screen. It's like having your own personal assistant right on your desk. And speaking of battery life, this keyboard is a total champ. With up to 3 years of battery life, you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries or charging it up. And with its wireless connectivity, you can work or play from anywhere in a room. But wait, there's more. The Logitech MK710 also features programmable function keys, so you can customize it to your heart's content and create shortcuts for your favorite apps and programs. Let's just have a look. So you also have a shortcut for calculator, and also some if you press the FN key, you can also have access to your photos, music, Microsoft Word, Excel, your games, your emails, and so on. In short, if you're looking for a keyboard that's comfortable, convenient, and customizable, the Logitech MK710 is the way to go. It's great for work, great for play, and great for anyone who wants a top-of-the-line keyboard that will make their life easier. So what are you waiting for? Grab one today and start typing like a pro.